So, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. So, you heard it. So, you people heard it right. I'm going to unbox Itachi Uchiha as you read in the title below. So, let me show you the box first of all. This. Look at this box. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Wrong. It's on the back. Sorry. Yes, sir. So let's remove. Let me take it down. एक minute. Look at this. Wait, let me remove this plastic for let me remove the plastic. Subscribe. Where does bro go to? Just go. Look at this. Right over here. Let's go. Let's go. You see? Yeah, he's done. Itachi Uchiha. Let me show you my new shelf also. That I'm going to keep him inside. Sorry, on. I'm going to keep him on the shelf. Sorry. Look at his eyes. What? 1,500. Yes, you heard it right. Let me cut and then I'll show you. Let me show you, but my voice is low because my mother is sleeping. Sorry for the inconvenience. Let's go. Look at his eyes. The crows. The Amaterasu. do you like my shelf also? And do you also like the Itachi? Let me know in the comments below. I know I've been gone for days and months. Sorry for that. I'll be trying to put videos, but not short videos. Sometimes short, sometimes big, like this one. I hope you people liked Itachi Uchiha from Naruto also. Red, look at this. Yes. So I hope you people like this video. You know what to do next. I'll see you people. I'll see you people in another video. Chalo. Have a nice day and Har Har Mahadeva.